Phobias. Noun. An extreme or irrational fear or aversion.
In 1947, phobias became a separate diagnostic category in the International Classification of Diseases. Back in 450 BCE, Hippocrates wrote about a man who was terrified of the flu, only at night time. This was one of the first recorded phobias in history. Symptoms of phobias. A feeling of uncontrollable anxiety when you're exposed to the source of your fear. Feeling that you must do everything possible to avoid what you fear. The inability to function normally because of your anxiety. Physical as well as psychological reactions, including sweating, rapid heartbeat, difficulty breathing, a feeling of panic, and intense anxiety. In some cases, people get anxiety just thinking about what they fear. Therapy and breathing techniques help with calming down the stressors. Medication is also helpful, but is not for everyone. Latest research shows that phobias are definite and it affects someone's everyday life, such as agoraphobia, the fear of germs, which is a form of OCD, obsessive-compulsive disorder, and anxiety disorder characterized by unreasonable thoughts and fears that lead you to do repetitive behaviors disrupting everyday activity, such as excessive hand washing. And constant disinfecting. Some people believe that patients who show signs of having a phobia are just exaggerating and do not, in fact, have a phobia. Julia Ruddick, 47, was a sales advisor in the UK, and her fear was buttons. She was placed in a panic room of sorts and faced 3 days working with a psychologist to get rid of her fear. This treatment proved effective and she overcame her fear. Examples of phobias. Ablutophobia, fear of washing or bathing. Achluophobia, fear of darkness. Bibliophobia, fear of books. It's a book!
Can you help me?
Cacophobia, fear of ugliness. Melophobia, fear or hatred of music.
Hey, Nick, check out this song.
Samhainophobia, fear of Halloween. Cathisophobia, fear of sitting down. Herophobia, fear of priests or sacred things. Alliumphobia, fear of garlic. Ophthalmophobia, fear of being stared at. Levophobia, fear of things to the left side of the body. Ambulophobia, fear of walking. Anatidophobia, fear that somewhere a duck is watching you. Oh my gosh!